3406.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a different unboxing. This is Sierra Yankee 1 Echo Bravo Echo from Greece, and I have to tell you that I love EDC stuff. As a guy that I like to fix things, EDC gear is something that solves many problems in my daily life. When I'm outside, when I have an emergency, whenever there is a need for fixing something or helping a friend to fix something, EDC gear is something that I need. And that's why I always try to find tools to carry with me, small tools, because I don't want to carry a lot of weight. But I need small tools that can help me fix many things or improvise solutions to help me go on. So I was really happy when I came in contact with lever gear and had the chance to test a tool that I could carry in my keys, because some of you may think that I'm exaggerating, but here are my keys. Okay? These are my daily life carry keys, as you can see. It's not something that's easy to carry around, but those are the keys that I need in my daily job. So a tool that wouldn't be that big and I could just put it along with those keys was a godsend gift. And this is the tool that Lever Gear made, and I believe that it has a lot of solutions in a very compact design that you can easily carry with you. Let's take a look. I wish I had a knife to open those stickers here. Oh wait, I have opened them, but I will show you why I'm saying this. This is the X-ACTO Multitool. Okay, first of all, there's a card that says flip me over, a QR code with a web address. I will put this link in the description of the video because I really believe that you should watch it, anyone who's interested in this multi-tool. And also an attention note here that, of course, the X-ACTO is a sharp tool. It's not a toy, it's a serious tool, which is sharp and very easy to cut yourself with, so you have to be careful. Before showing you the tool and after using it for some days, I have to say that this inscription here that says carry tools, not toys, is 100% accurate for lever gear stuff like this one. I can't emphasize this enough. This is not a toy. It's a serious tool that can do a lot of stuff. So let's see what's in the box. This is the X-ACTO multi-tool. We'll see it in a moment. We have a lanyard to pass through the tool if you want, of course. I'm going to put it in my keys, so I don't need this. And here we have some very small screws. You should be very careful not losing them. And this is an Allen key. You can use it to put those screws on, and also this pen holder, which you can attach over here on the tool, so you can put it in your pocket and not be afraid of losing this. I'm not going to put this on either, because I'm going to put it on my keys. And here we have the X-ACTO multi-tool. I should start from the easy stuff, okay. A bottle opener here, as you can see. Something that it's very common in multi-tools. Of course, here present as well. And as we go, we have two rulers. Here, one with inches and one with centimeters. Really useful if you want to quickly measure something and don't have a meter with you. Here is a pry bar, a small pry bar. You can open cans with this thing, paint cans. Also, you can use this as a flathead screwdriver easily. A box opener, this one here, this edge, very easy to open boxes with that. And of course, the main feature of this multi-tool, the hidden wonder, I would say, the X-ACTO blade that has inside. Here is a security latch that you have to open first in order to access the blade. And from here you can see we have the X-ACTO blade number 11, which is a black color. They're kind of hard to find, those ones with a black color, but Lever Gear has them on their site. You can buy them from there. And this thing is really sharp. Whoever of you knows the X-ACTO blades know how sharp they are. And it's an amazing thing for me to have with me. I mean, okay, we have all the other stuff that are present in some other multi-tools, but this feature, this hidden blade here that is retractable and secured, I mean, it's something that I really want sometimes, to have a blade with me to cut precisely stuff, and I don't. But this thing made it possible. Also, we have an adapter here for bits. If you have some bits with you in order to unscrew things and stuff like that, it can take all the standard bits, and it's also magnetic. There you go. You can use it as a lever. Perfect. Very nice. The magnet is fairly strong, I could say. I can't see this thing falling. No way. Perfect. And it's kind of stiff enough to get it out. So that's great actually, because you need a good hold here. Let's give it a try. I'll use the Phillips screwdriver. There you have it. Perfect. I'm really happy about this little guy here. I mean, it packs a punch. It's amazing. Very, very clever engineering from Lever Gear. So many tools in one small thing that you can compare it with a key. It's 30 grams, 1 ounce. That's all. Although I have used the X-ACTO blade enough times the past few days, just for the fun of it, and cutting stuff that I maybe shouldn't be cutting with this blade, like cardboard boxes. It's, as it should be, fairly sharp, so be careful with this thing. And of course you can do other tricks with this thing, like I'm showing you now something. Here's a wire. If we press a bit the X-ACTO blade, there you go. It really can help you. Amazing multi-tool from Lever Gear. X-ACTO, check their website, it's $28. A lot of perks in their website, check it out. You will find the link in the description of the video. I really recommend this as an EDC and everyday carry tool. Great job from Lever Gear, excellent design, and really something useful to have with you. Thank you for watching. This is Sierra Yankee 1 Echo Bravo Echo from Greece. Subscribe to the channel and see you next time.